Urbee Sahoo, pursuing my bachelor's degree in electrical engineering in Centurion University of Technology and Management, Bhubaneswar. I have just completed a domain which is operation and maintenance of electrical grid system and transformer, which was taught by Professor Karthik Mishra. In this domain, we get to know about hands-on experience on transformer manufacturing for commercially used distribution transformer, maintenance and testing. Also got to know about power from generating to distribution end. Under this domain, I have also done an internship, which is energy audit of commercial bank in Bhubaneswar, which helped me a lot to get a field experience, and also visited a GIS substation by PGCIL, in which I got to know about how the power is being transmitted from one city to another city and how the substation is being operated. As I have got a lot of field experience from this domain, and that's why now I'm preparing for placements in electrical core sectors companies and simultaneously preparing for other government core sector jobs. Thank you.